a new meaning for red driving school. This is hard to see, but we're going to focus on the crossing up ahead. There's a girl crossing with two young kids, and the Micra has just overtook the lead car. She must have had a heart in her mouth. This guy isn't going to last very long.
How lethal?
No. Is it clear in front of us? Is there enough room in front?
Yeah.
Still enough room in front?
Yeah.
Okay, still enough room in front?
Yeah.
Creep a little bit.
Watch the grey Vauxhall approach him from behind in lane 2 and watch where they go.
Maybe. Creep after the taxi? No. Creep after the white one? Yes. A little bit of gas. A little bit of bike. Can we go? Yes, off we go. And we go into the left lane. Wow.
The government says help is available. 2 people have been killed and 4 others are injured following a shooting at
Watch the grey minibus that's just pulled out.
University in the US state of North Carolina. Police say the suspect is in custody.
Wow.
The report says children's services in England are at breaking point and needs £3 billion of additional funding.
That's how accidents happen, that.
No. Right. Lights good in.
Put that one. Don't go faster, mate. So. That's interesting. Police car actually slowing for the 30 miles an hour light. Shame the rules don't apply to them as well, isn't it? Don't you think? If he's had to brake for that camera, that's totally wrong, isn't it?
Yeah, he was passing us like on the road.
Yeah, and we were pretty good with our speed as well, mate. And all for that to save him how long? Poor. They're enforcing standards. They've got to drive to those standards, as far as I'm concerned.
These next 2 clips show what I think is a trend happening with drivers and their animals, and it's quite simply driving with your dog on your knee. Have a look closely at the red Ford. This time it's the white Audi 4-wheel drive coming from the opposite direction who's putting their dog in massive danger. Not to mention the distraction whilst you're driving it causes. This lad who rides out on a bike probably had a squeaky bum moment.
What a rubbish bus driver.
As well, isn't it?
Yeah, but if it's wider, there's possibly 2 lanes of traffic that
Yeah.
could come, so it still generally works.
Yeah.
It's still get off your phone.
People nowadays don't understand what the horn's for, but it's nice to see this cyclist reacting positively.
That's nice, isn't it? Nice reaction from him for a change, don't you think?
You realised how shit I had did before then.
Rather than taking the huff like normal people do with the horn, that was a lovely reaction. It was nice to see.
This is possibly one of the worst red lights I've ever seen, and it's not even the van in front.
It's as you say, it's some people might be too relaxed. Oh my word! What a tit! What an idiot! Wow! You know, you go.
And there, I am not laughing at the fact that they've just done that. I'm laughing at how poor people can be.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Slow down, mate. Honestly, to 20 limit, there's kids about. That is absolutely ridiculous. Got a majority of them. You got the idea that it's not asking about the car.
Riding without hands and on his phone makes you wonder how much control this cyclist had over this crossroads. You know, I said before about possibly one of the latest reds I've ever seen. What about this then? I hope this school crossing patrol pays more attention when there are kids about.
Come on, pay attention. Wow. Put your stick on the floor.
Watch the Audi 4-wheel drive turn in the out.
Where's that one gone?
What? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
Oh, hall of shame.
Oh my god.
Watch the white car coming out of the junction on the left.
Epitome of Calgary arseness. Down that central.
I'm going up there.
Yeah, good. We're actually going the one-way street. The taxi's gone the wrong way down. We don't follow him. Which way do you go? Good. Can we go?
Yeah.
Where do we go with the curb? Yeah, around there. Not like the taxi did. And we're going to follow where the taxi went. Do we signal for the lady?
Yeah.
Definitely. Do you understand?
I know I'm not perfect, I never was, but I did not have that problem. And I think it's because when I was a kid, I always went on little tractor cars and I got used to steering with that. I think that's what helped me from a young age.
Yeah.
In nursery, I actually remember, I was 3 years old, I was obsessed with this tractor and wouldn't let anyone have a go. I remember someone going, and I was like, no, I was like, it's mine, you know, I really loved it. Literally, for 2 seconds, a minute, if that. What if someone came running out behind that wall?
The four-wheel drive was exactly the same as well, to be honest, you know.
Yeah, they went over as well, didn't they?
You can deal with the lights,
Yeah.
not an issue. Brake fixes it. So you're going through that. That's honestly. I don't get it. I don't get people nowadays. I really don't. I don't understand it. It's so dangerous.
Well, some people are just looking more important, unfortunately.
The thing is, we'll probably catch them up at the next set anyway. And looks as though we're going to.
No.
And it's honestly how much jumping a set of red lights is worthwhile nowadays. It's just simply not.
No.
And there he is. He's sat at the next set. It happens just constantly. Every time I see someone